Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the item ready in your inventory. Open menu and go straight to items. Select incense. Only weigh and choose whether to apply it to you or the whole party. Use it on the party if you plan coordinated movement. Once activated, the effect starts right away, so plan your route. Make sure to watch the icon on the HUD that shows duration. Knowing when to trigger it saves time and prevents wasted turns, so do it before entering the area you want to bypass. Once done, move deliberately through the palace or mementos while the incense effect prevents random engagements. You should favor stealthy corridors, vents, and cover to reduce accidental boss or event triggers. This preserves the effect for the critical sections. Make sure to check the timer periodically and align your route with objectives so the effect covers the path you need. If you must stop for an event or chest, position yourself so you don't waste time backtracking after the effect ends. To finish, reach the exit or complete the targeted objective before the incense runs out. Prioritize movement over battles. If the effect ends sooner than expected, pause and reassess. Use defensive positioning or quick saves to avoid unwanted fights, and consider using another incense. Only weigh if you have extras. If you become stuck in repeated encounters, return to a safe room or the nearest checkpoint and reload. This clears the situation and conserves SB and items so you can try the route again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.